Over here at this house, we came here and the meter base actually caught on fire. Most likely due to a bad connection of some sort inside the meter base. You can see it's melted the meter. It's melted all the wires up the conduit here. And it's melted all the wires down. So now that this happened, we gotta bring it up to today's code. So we're gonna redo the whole service and bring it to the other side of the house to bring it up to today's safety standards. So we got started on the other side of the house here. This is where the new service is. Meets code. We're gonna bring it in down over here to a new disconnect in the home.